It's summertime, it's hot, so we are making mango, peach, strawberry lemonade. After sharing the guava lemonade recipe with you all, two things became apparent. Number one, you guys wanted more similar, refreshing summer drinks, so this is why we're here today. And two, the guava isn't as easy, or wasn't as easy for many of you, because many people all over the world, global. Caribbean pot is global. Facts. Cannot get access to the guava. So today, what we're using is frozen strawberries. Yes, and strawberries will be in season in 2 weeks here in my local area. Maybe I'll just do a strawberry version of this alone. But strawberries, peaches don't come in until the end of August, early September in my area. And we have frozen mango, the chunks of mango. So if you want to use one of these, two of these, or all three as I have here, you can do that. And I'm sure wherever you are, you're able to access frozen fruit. And the full printable recipe will be over at CaribbeanPot.com. You saw I have sugar and just these ingredients: the lemon, the sugar, the frozen fruit, and I have my blender. You want a high-speed blender. Now if you wanted to blend this and then bring it up to a simmer to pull out all of that fruit juice from it even more, you can do that, but this time we're not going that route. What we are doing, we will add the frozen fruit to the blender, and I like adding room temperature water. That's about 4 cups of water that I'm adding in there. And I'm just going to let that sit for a bit because I want the fruit to sort of thaw in there, because I don't want it to turn into a smoothie. I don't want it to turn very thick. I want it more runny than anything else. So I'm allowing even the liquids in the fruit itself to sort of thaw a bit. So as that thaws, we're going to juice these lemons. And they are at room temperature if you want. I know some people like to stick it in the microwave just to be able to juice it a bit better. Some people roll it. All I want to do is just squeeze these out. And ladies and gentlemen, what I want to impress on you all, go to your local grocery store. In my case here, I found these at the Walmart, the local Walmart. And they were on clearance. So it wasn't that expensive at all. And all I needed it was for making this lemonade. So I didn't mind paying for these sort of imperfect, and I haven't seen any imperfect ones yet. Yeah? Just gonna juice that. And the whole idea is to puree it. It's nice and liquidify now. So that's what we want. You have a couple options here. You can strain it, or you can proceed just as it is. I prefer to strain it. Just gonna reach over, pardon me, my strainer, and in goes that juice. Yeah, man, does it ever smell nice and fruity right now. And all I'm gonna do now is, using a spoon, I'm just gonna work that in. In goes that freshly squeezed lemon juice. I did notice a seed went in there as well, but small thing. It's not really a choking hazard at this point. Of course, we need that sugar in there, and you can use any sweetener that you prefer, and water to thin it down. So in total, I think I use 8 cups of water. Grab your whisk and go to work. You just want to make sure all that sugar gets melted in there. And this is why I didn't use cold water, I used room temperature water. Now, I use 1 3/4 cups of sugar. You can cut back on the amount of sugar to start with. So you can start with 1 cup of sugar and add accordingly. I like it a little bit sweet because I'm going to serve this with ice. And I find that once it's diluted, of course, yeah. But I'm diabetic, so I'm only really participating in this. Yeah, I'm going to give it a little tasty taste, and that's about it. A couple flavor enhancers in here, some vanilla extract, or what we call mixed essence in the Caribbean. So if you head over to a Caribbean grocery store, or if you check online, something called mixed essence, you can add a tablespoon of that. Yeah, same with the vanilla extract. And there you go, serve with ice. And if you want to put some mint in there, some fresh mint leaves, that's proper things. Mango, peach, strawberry lemonade. I hope you get an opportunity to give this one a try this summer.